Hey guys, this is Junior Coder, and welcome back to the Introduction to Raspberry Pi 4 tutorial series. This is the second part of the series, and in this part we're going to be exploring the starter kit, so let's get right into it. So this is the Freenove Ultimate Starter Kit for Raspberry Pi. You can get the starter kit from the link in the description. So on the top you can see it has a paper with the Freenove logo, and when you turn it around you can see that it has some information for us. It says you can get the tutorials at tutorials.freenove.com. That link will also be in the description. So on the top we have a 4x4 membrane keypad. It comes with a standard connector. We have a small but useful resistor color code chart. Then we have an LCD display with a module on its back. We have what looks like a PIR motion sensor. And by the way, the parts that I'm going through here, we'll be talking about them later in this series, so if you don't know what they mean, just stick around in the series to find out. We have a bag of components, looks like a humidity sensor, some buttons and tactile switches. And then we have another bag of components, and in this bag we only have LEDs, so we have RGB, red, all kinds of colors. Next we have a battery clip, two 1.5 volts AA, pre-fitted with a female connector. We have a servo motor with some accessories. We also have an ultrasonic detector. And a little toggle control. We have what looks like, probably this is the stepper motor and this is the speed control board. Now we have three 10K potentiometers. We have a ribbon cable which will attach to the GPIO extension board. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input Output. We'll be taking a look at that later. We have some male pin headers. We also have some female pin headers. Now we're getting on to the main board itself. The main board actually has some components stuck to it, I'm guessing for ease of transportation. So let me get the kit out of the way and we can take a closer look at this. So as I said, we have the Raspberry Pi GPIO extension board. We have a relay, an active buzzer, two passive buzzers, an LED bar indicator, a single LED digit module. We have some chips here. We have a dot matrix LED, 4-digit LCD display, a little board, and we also have a power supply for the breadboard itself. Now this is not the only way to power up the breadboard. We're going to take a look at some other ways in future parts of the series. Next we have some spare dividers for the box. And we have a set of male-to-male and female-to-male jumper wires. We have a motor. We have a bunch of female-to-female cables. We have a battery PP3 clip And we have resistors. So we have 220, 1K, and 10K resistors. You can tell the difference between them by looking at the resistor color code chart. And lastly, we have 3 copper matrix boards. So now, at this point, we've gone through everything that is included in the Freenove Ultimate Starter Kit for Raspberry Pi. So if you learned something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep a lookout for part 3 of this series, and I'll see you next time. Bye.